Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Glean AI. Glean AI is a smart financial platform for managing accounts payable. It helps companies review, approve, and track bills with AI-driven insights. The tool automates invoice analysis, flagging any unusual spend patterns. Users can easily upload bills or connect directly with accounting software. Glean AI identifies vendor trends and contract anomalies in real time. It also highlights duplicate charges and out-of-policy spend issues. The dashboard gives CFOs and teams a clear picture of vendor cost. It simplifies approval by showing context, not just raw invoice data. The pricing structure is designed to be scale flexibility with company size, transaction volume, and finance team complexity. To request a demo, you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and then source from which you heard about it. Glean AI works well with QuickBooks, NetSuite, and other platforms. In short, Glean AI is intelligent tools to optimize AP workflow. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.